In this tutorial, we're going to go over the glorious alternating colors, as you can see here. So let's get cracking. First, we'll go into this alternate single one. So perhaps for our alternate single here, we just want alternating colors from row 1 will be different to row 2, but row 1 and row 3 and all the other odd rows will be the same, and all the even rows will be of the same color. So the first thing we need to do is to select a range. We click up at the A1 cell, hold shift down and click down to the B11 cell. Then we go to format, go all the way down to the bottom where it says alternating colors. On the right hand side you can see a pop-up. Now first of all, it automatically comes up with a header because you'll usually want a header in your documents, but for us we're just going to untick that, and now we've just got our standard color palette with minus the header. So we can go through each one of these colors and that can be our header color, or we can scroll down to here and choose our preferred color. Perhaps we want something a little bit darker, and the lighter color we want to be just a light blue. Okay, and then we can click done and it's all finished. So I'll tick off there, and now you have your alternating colors. So let's go to adding a header. Very simple again. This time we've got our alternate name and the name, and we just hold down our shift again, click down to the bottom, go to format, alternating colors. This time we'll use the standard set, but we'll go with a delightful green color, and it is all done for you, ready to go. And once it's done, we go down to the bottom and hit done, and that's our alternating color complete. Alright, we can also add in a footer here. So again, hold down shift down to the bottom here, format, alternating colors. Let's go with purple, and let's this time also include a footer. And you can see all our footers are done very nicely. Okay, so alternating colors also has a set of intuitive methods that will try and help you with expanding your alternating colors as need be. So what I can do here, we'll do our usual approach. We'll select, we'll go to format, alternating colors, and let's make this one a orange. So if I were to put another name down here, or another two names, first one we'll just say Yagi, and we'll call that Scott, which is me. And then we can say Barney, and we can call him Brett. And you can see it automatically updates the alternating colors down the rows. But we could also add another title in here. We could say values or words written or something like that. Go words here. And you can see that expands over to the right, and we can write a bunch of values down the side here. So that's extremely helpful if you're trying to expand on your rows and columns, and it will automatically update for you. However, this becomes a bit of a problem if you're trying to have different colors, different alternating row colors in different columns to identify specific things. So let's move over to this example. So my recommendation is to build everything out first, just like I have in front of you, and then start adding in your alternating colors. Otherwise, when we add something else in, it'll bleed over like it did in the previous example with the words. I'll type something in or copy and paste it in, and it'll go, oh, you want to add more of this alternating color? No worries, I got you, buddy. So let's get started. So let's say we want our names here in a particular alternating color set. Let's go to format, alternating colors, and we'll click on blue here. And if you start trying to work on the next set, it'll just start including that instead. So we want to hit done first. Okay, now we want to change our date. Perhaps this is a automatic process that we don't want our users to touch, so we identify it as gray. So I select the range, go to format, alternating colors, and let's make this a nice gray here. And we select done. And words again, we might make this a slightly different color again. Format, alternating colors, and let's make this orange. And there you have it. You have different alternating colors for each column. That's it for alternating colors in Google Sheets. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please like if you did, and subscribe if you want to see more of these tutorials. See you in the next one.